Welcome back to channel everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can build this kind of confirmation dialog box in Canvas application by just using a confirm function. Microsoft has introduced a confirm function in Power Apps by using which you can build this kind of pop-up confirmation box. In the confirmation box we have the heading, subheading and the plain text, and we have two buttons that you can change their text as well. I have put in submit and review, and if I click on outside of these confirmations box, this will be disappear, and this confirmations box is responsive in nature as well. As you can see, I'm into my tablet screen size. This is how the confirmations box look alike. If I go to the mobile screen size, this is how it's look alike. Now if I click on the submit, you will see that it's respecting my form validations as well. Please fill the required fields. If I just fill this form and submit it, it will again ask for the confirmation. If I want to review, I go to the review, add some text, submit, and it says record saved successfully. If I go to my SharePoint list, there is 2 records right now. Now you can see there is a new records there. So let's just talk about how we can build this confirmation dialog box in our Power Apps. I'll go to my Power App Studio. This is the responsive demo screen I'm in. Before that, what you have to do is go to your app settings, support. In the authoring version, make sure you have the authoring version 3.26.022.5 or anything greater than that. Then you will have the confirm functions available for you. And also in the update, the modern control and theme should be enabled, because that pop-up use the modern buttons as I've shown you already. I'll go to this submit button on select. Right now, if you see, I have the submit code which patch the data to my SharePoint list. So what I'm going to do is, before this, if I just type confirm, and in this I'll just put test right now. If I click on submit, you will see a pop-up dialog box is there. What I want is whenever the pop-up comes up, when I click on confirm, it should then only submit this data. Otherwise there won't be any action. So for that, what I will do, I will say if confirm test is there, then submit this data, else do nothing. And instead of this semicolon, just put the comma here. If we go here, submit, if I cancel, nothing happens. So I'll just make it a little bit better. So in the confirm test, to add other property, we have a title, which I can say new form submit, comma, subtitle, which says, are you sure you want to submit this form? And in the main text, this will be plain text. So please validate form before submitting. Then we have confirm button. I can say submit record. Then we have cancel button. Should be sentence case. I will say cancel record. So what will happen now? If the confirm function is there and it will have all these detail, then we will submit this form. And in case you want to put anything for cancel, in the else part you can always put that here. In the else, let's suppose I will put notify, don't do anything. Okay. Now if we go here, submit, you will see new form submit, the heading, subheading and the main text that required there. Submit record, cancel record, the button text change. And if I click on the cancel record, you will say there is a notification, don't do anything. And if I click on the submit record, please fill the required fields. And let's suppose if I put test here, submit this, submit record, record saved successfully. We go to list, we have new test record there. So this is really a good enhancement from Microsoft end. This was previously into our model-driven applications, but as of now in their official website also, they haven't mentioned about the Canvas applications right now. So I do not recommend you to use this into your production applications for now until Microsoft confirm this. But this is a good feature to have for a future application. This can reduce a lot of custom control in our forms and can increase your app efficiency as well. I hope you like this video. If you do like, don't forget to subscribe, learn and tech. Thank you so much for watching.